bought a purple one. Color closed, so draw today. A purple makeup bar, bring a nylon red eyeball today. Get a makeup primer. Then use a purple barrier to adjust the complexion. Then let's go up and down the table. The body also uses these too. Yeah, hold me up so that I didn't see it drunk. I'm coming. Then, later we will use beauty powder and dark concealer to cover the nails. Just fill it in a little bit for grooming. To this one of my colored candy. These horses' eye sockets go horizontal under their faces and then start again. V is about 2. I'm talking kind of like... I. Draw the head diagonally and then highlight the eyes with a bright highlight. SO one about, I don't care. Then we draw. Eyeshadow, it's all purple and you need to dip it in this color. Because of you and me. Directly above, this is very shallow. Take a look inside. You can follow the nose and then dip a small brush into this black. I don't say thank you. I love you very much. I respect and appreciate you very much. And then we move to the row with the little sprigs, and it has a little purple sequin here, very special. Don't look at me, I'll count the details and show you. And then we use one of the shadows of this disc to paint a reclining figure. Silkworm, let's use a blush first. Take its flower. Later, we will change it to an inward pink. We welcome your fans again. And then we put a highlight on it. Then let's curl the eyelashes and then brush the mascara. Then try the newly bought double eyelid sticker. The eyeliner pen this time. Thank you. Very much I can see. Hi. Thank you so much. Inshallah. Inshallah. I love Mama. Sleep, sleep through.